Turn on BitLocker in Windows computer for a device. If it's an internal, external hard disk, a USB flash drive, or even an SD card, all what you need to do, make sure that your device is plugged to your computer. Go to the search bar and type Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel to open. If you have a different view than mine, just click on View By and change it back to Category. Click on System and Security. Look for the name BitLocker Drive Encryption and click on it. As a next step, you want to locate the device which you want to encrypt. So here, for example, I have D. If you have several ones, just go back to your PC and read the drive letter, C, D, H. So make sure to choose the right one. In this case, it's the D. So click on Turn BitLocker on. It will say don't remove your drive during this. Use password. You can choose whatever password you would like. And click Next. The process will start. Click Save to a file. Choose the location where you need to save this password. Click Save and click Next. Encrypt use disk space only. Encrypt entire drive. So you can choose which one suits you. So I will choose encrypt entire drive for now and click Next. Compatible mode, that's what I choose for the most, and click Next and start encrypting. The encryption process might take several minutes to up to 1 hour based on how big is your hard disk or your hard drive, and also based on how much data is there and how fast is your computer. In some cases, it might take just a few minutes if the drive is very small and there are not much data. I'll just pause the video here and we will carry on once the process is done. Once this process is finished, you will see encryption of D drive is complete. Click OK or close. Go back to the PC shortcut. And here you will see a little locker on your USB drive. If you would like to decrypt it or encrypt it, just right click, and here you have the option of BitLocker to be removed. So by just clicking on BitLocker Manage, and you can even change the BitLocker password if you don't like the previous password.